sounds like?
In this video, you will see koalas, reptiles, birds, and kangaroos. Hi, it's Gareth.
And Janet.
And we are in Brisbane, Australia today. We are going to go get on a ferry boat, a river boat, and
take it up to the koala sanctuary.
The Lone Pine Koala Sanctuary. So we bought these tickets on Viator. I think they were $60 or $70 a piece. So we're here in line with 50 of our good friends, and across the way there, that's downtown Brisbane, you might call it. Of course, remember, it's only 8:30 in the morning. This is the Brisbane River. You can see in town there in one of our other videos, Walking in Brisbane, right? Two-part series. Thinking there's no other way but take those stairs. So be prepared. So around that way, and then up here, just a few more stairs, but it's steep. It's a ramp.
Good morning.
Well, she's clicking too.
Yeah, because it's large numbers.
What if it doesn't match?
Then we're doomed.
We'll investigate.
We want to get out and see some animals. Don't know if I need my sunglasses on. So I guess they're saying we may see turkeys. Did you want to eat my camera? So, hope you can see those. There's 3 of them right there. And they are all asleep. Oh, here's 3 or 4. Why are you hitting yourself? Somebody's operating a gate next to me. There we go. Smile. What? I am smiling?
They're not there yet?
One over behind him scratching. On the move.
Sorry? I don't think they use
Going backwards.
You ever wondered what a koala sounds like?
Woken up. It's dinner time? Lunchtime.
This one right here.
Can you see that one? Yeah. This guy came up to say hi just now. Jumped up on that log. I think he wants me to hold him. Get a look at that tail. You want a camera, huh?
I want a GoPro.
Yeah, he said yes. She said yes. Are you a kookaburra? Are you? Bet you could peck through that wire, huh? There we go. Scratch. Do they ever attack?
The emu?
Yeah.
No, I don't believe he does. Unless you like attack him, but I don't see why you would.
The wallaby. Or maybe it's a wallaby. It's a kangaroo, it's kind of small. Oh, bless you. Bless you.
You got a cold?
Well, they are. That's why I'm saying. These are either wallabies or they're baby kangaroos.
Grab with both hands. Really? Yeah. With both hands and grab it, and I'd like I was racing. Never had that happen.
It moves so slow.
Ever. And it was the first time I've actually done
It's weird.
So he actually.
Right?
Yeah. Like he
This
grabbed.
is kangaroo food, I guess. Kangaroo pellets.
I got a good shot. I got a good shot of the other guys that were here. Andrea.
Yeah.
Yeah. You're gonna watch out. I heard they.
Starting to sprinkle a little.
Look at the baby legs coming out of the mama, isn't he? Coming out of the pouch.
Fascinated with kangaroos.
I don't think being in front of them like that, so. That's where they can kick from. What they do is they lean back on their tails and they use their feet and they kick forward.
So if you look real close, this one's got a young'un in its pouch. I see an ear and 2 feet and a tail. So I'm not sure how it's in there. In case you're lost, Los Angeles is 11,000 kilometers from here.
Are we going to do the photo with Morris today?
Eventually,
Alrighty, so you get one printed photo. Are you both together in that photo?
yes.
No worries. Hey Hannah, can you take photos, Morris? Morris. Yeah.
Look, look.
Take a phone for you.
Okay.
Yeah, come on in beside Morris and when you're ready.
Oh, wow.
Thanks, guys. Your complimentary photo will be beside the cafe in 20 minutes.
Okay. Look for yourself on YouTube.
Look at its red belly.
Yeah.
Wow.
Hey, so we're still on the Miramar, but we've just gotten back into downtown Brisbane. So we're getting off, our tour's over, and it's 2:45. So we got on about 8:45.
Yeah.
It left at 9.
Took an hour and 15 minutes each way.
So 6 hours, 6.5 hours, 6 hours and 45 minutes.
Not enough time at the koala sanctuary, but
Yeah, it's over an hour each way on the boat.
yeah, we had about 3 hours to walk around there.
But you saw the video, so. From Brisbane,
Janet,
Australia, I'm Garrett.
and we'll see you in the next